In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping prices in WooCommerce. To get started, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the backend area where you manage your site. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the option labeled WooCommerce, then hover your mouse over it. A submenu will appear. From that submenu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main WooCommerce settings area, where you'll see several tabs across the top. Go ahead and click on the tab labeled Shipping. On the shipping page, you'll see a list of your shipping zones. A shipping zone is basically a region or group of locations that share the same shipping rules and prices. Look through this list and find the shipping zone where you want to change the shipping price. Once you've found it, move your mouse to the left side of that row and click on Edit. This opens up the editor for that specific zone, where you can manage the shipping methods used in that area. Inside the zone editor, you'll see a section called Shipping Methods. These are the ways customers can choose to receive their orders in that zone. Common examples are flat rate, free shipping, and local pickup. Find the shipping method whose price or conditions you want to adjust. Again, look to the left side of that method and click Edit. This will open a pop-up window with all the settings for that particular method. If you're editing a flat rate method, you'll see a field labeled Cost. Here you can type in the new shipping amount you want to charge. For example, if you want to charge $10, simply enter 10 in that field without any currency symbol. Just below that, you'll see the tax status option. You can choose whether this shipping cost should be taxable or set to none, depending on how you handle taxes in your store. If you're editing a free shipping method, you'll see different options. Instead of a cost, you can set requirements for when free shipping becomes available. For example, you can choose to offer free shipping only after the customer reaches a minimum order amount, or only if they use a specific coupon that enables free shipping. Adjust these requirements according to your store's policy. Once you've made your changes, scroll down if needed and click Save. This is important because your new shipping prices or rules won't take effect until you save the settings. After saving, your updated shipping cost will be applied to that zone the next time a customer checks out.